Hi there! In this video, we will learn how to write the uppercase letter I and the lowercase letter I in cursive along with its phonic sound. So this is I and the sound is I. This is I and the sound is I. I, I, I. Now let's see what all we have with I sound. I, insect. This is an insect. I, ink. This is an ink bottle. There is ink inside it. And what do we do with that ink? We put ink, this ink, in a pen or in a marker. We put ink. Next is igloo. Igloo is a house made up of snow or ice. We have picked up only those pictures or objects which go with I sound, not with the letter I, because we have to focus on I sound. Igloo, ink, insect. Now let's see how we can write this cursive letter I. First we have to make a small curve and go in a slanting way up to the red line. Look how. From here, make a small curve like this, and then from here go up till the red line in a slanting way, and then from here come down in a slanting line and then curve up. This is I. Look again. From here, from the above blue line, go up till the red line, come down in slanting line and touch this. This is I. 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 And now let's write the lowercase letter I. From the second blue line, go up in a slanting way to the first blue line and then come back on the same line and kick up. Then put a dot. This is I. Now look again. From here, go up in a slanting line, come back on the same line and then go up. This is I. If you will write like this and come down with another line, so these are two lines, this is wrong. So you have to make only one line. Look again. From here, go up, come back on the same line. This is I. 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 So this is how you have to write, speak and write I. This will help you.